way. I was dumb enough not to settle down when you wanted to. Now I'm sitting here going crazy, trying to crawl back to you. Mary, Mary, why you won't do me this way? I was smart enough to come to my senses, be who you need me to be. If you say that I'm too late, I curl up and die miserably. Mary, Mary, why you won't do me this way? Star loves you as much as me. Mary, Mary, why you won't do me this way? Mary, Mary, why you won't do me this way?
Again, we are the Southern Style Floggers from right here in China Grove. If you're at the Landis China Grove Parade this year, holler out. You'll see us on a big float boat coming down that way doing just like this, moving right down the road. I want to introduce everybody. Everybody turn to your right. Turn to your right. See all the names on those shirts? That's how I remember them. We got Miss Jasmine. Hold your hand up. Miss Reagan. Miss Lacey, who has had to spend her last 21 years with me. Miss Jackie, Miss Cassie, who is brand new. This is her first show. Okay. Miss Sarah, little Miss Sarah, Mr. Cody, Miss Holly, Miss Heather, Miss Tiffany, and Mrs. Janet. She is the grandmother of how many? 15. Yeah, get it down. And a great-grandmother of 5. So if you think you're too old, come on down. We can do it. All right, thank you again. Have a good day.